This is your security system, and this is your security system during a blackout. As a security installer, you're ready for just about everything. You have IP67 weatherproof cameras, you have high quality night vision for 24/7 color footage. Rain, snow, night, or day, your system is built to handle it all. But there's one critical gap. What happens when the power goes out? It doesn't matter how cutting edge your system is or how durable your cameras are. If they don't have access to continuous 24/7 power, they're useless. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. Introducing the Eaton Tripp Lite Cloud Connected BCRNC series. Hi there, it's Tyler from Nelly Security, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about this small, compact, powerful, and affordable UPS system perfect for any security installer, the Eaton Tripp Lite Cloud Connected BCRNC series. This powerful yet compact UPS acts as a shield for your security system. Standing as the middleman between your NVR or your PoE switch and a wall outlet, this UPS provides both surge protection and battery backup for your mission-critical equipment. It's easy to configure with the Eaton mobile app, making this perfect for you installers out there who are tired of making truck rolls just for a simple reboot. Now, no matter where you are in the world, you can configure and restart your systems with ease. Affordable, effective, and convenient, this UPS is the ultimate way to make sure your security system stays powered without gaps in your surveillance or in your security. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box, we have the UPS system, a quick start guide, and your mounting hardware. You can see the size of this unit is pretty small and compact. It's VESA mountable, so you can even mount this on the back of your monitor to keep it out of the way. Looking at the front of this unit, you can see that we have a power button, a network port for connecting this to your network, a USB-C connection for advanced configuration, status lights so you can see at a glance whether your system is up and running, and of course we have our 3 outlets here for both surge protection and battery backup. On the side of the unit, we have a QR code allowing you to scan this with your phone to download the mobile app. And we have an NFC chip here allowing you to quickly and efficiently connect this device to your mobile app. Now let's take a closer look at this system and see exactly how it works. To test it out, I have a simple UniView single camera system here. We have a UniView IQ NVR 8-channel and a UniView TriGuard camera connected to it here. This isn't very much power. The camera is probably about 10 watts max, and the NVR is maybe 12 watts without a hard drive, so you'll need to factor that in as well. With the 24-watt load on this system, we should get about 1 hour of runtime when the power goes out. Of course, you probably have a lot more than just one single camera, so you will need to do the calculation for yourself to see exactly how long you can expect your UPS system to run. Obviously, the runtime's not going to last forever, but hopefully it gives you enough time to save your footage, continue recording during a blackout, maybe give you enough time before a generator kicks on or the power comes back on. Let's go ahead and get this system up and running. I'm going to push and hold on the power button. And we have our status lights here to let us know that the system is up and running. Now I'll take the power cord to my NVR and plug it into the first outlet. My NVR is now running. My camera is now running since it's connected to the PoE switch in the back of the NVR. Everything on our system is good to go. You can see the lights have now turned on our camera, letting you know that it is booting up. And again, this Tripp Lite unit provides both surge protection and battery backup. So if there is a power surge here, this is going to prevent that dirty power from the wall coming straight into your equipment, frying your entire security system. And of course, if the power goes out, you can see that this is not plugged into the wall, but the security system is still running. It's probably not going to run for long because I just now plugged the UPS in, so I'm going to put this back into the wall. Now let's take a look at this Eaton mobile app so you can see exactly how you can configure this for yourself and for your clients on the go. But first we'll need to make sure that our system is connected to our local network via an Ethernet cable, and also that it has internet access so that we can manage the system through the cloud. I'm going to scan the QR code on the side of the unit, open it up in my browser, and this took me to the Eaton BrightLayer remote monitoring web page where I can download the mobile app, or if you don't want to download the app, if you just need to get in and configure your device quickly, you can launch it directly in your browser. You can see I already have this app downloaded, so I'm just going to open it up and it will get started. To do this, you need to create an account, agree to the terms and conditions, input your email address, at which point you will get a verification code emailed to you. Enter the details below to complete your account creation. I'm going to disable two-factor authentication just for this demo. And the first screen we'll see in the app, if you've never used this app before, is a page allowing you to create a new organization or join an existing organization. We'll call this Nelly Security. Once you have an organization, you can start adding your devices. I'll click Add Device, and now this is where we scan that QR code one more time, or we can configure the devices with the NFC. And this is going to allow us to scan the QR code one more time on the side of the device. We can assign this to the group Nelly Security. We can change the device name. Let's call this Nelly's UPS. We can add tags to keep this organized, which is helpful if you have several clients. You can add a description so you know at a quick glance which device is which. Once it's added to your account, you can manage settings from your app, set up notifications so that you always know when a blackout event happens on your property. And of course, you can run power cycles directly from your app so that wherever you are in the world, with the press of a button, you can restart your security system, allowing for quick and efficient troubleshooting for you and for your clients. Since you can add multiple UPS devices to multiple companies, keep everything organized in the app, this UPS really is the ultimate tool for security installers, and it's a great addition to your toolbox. If you guys have any questions about this system, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 855-340-9999, or you can email us at customerservice@nellysecurity.com. Be sure to check the description down below. I'll leave links to this product page, as well as an interactive graph allowing you to calculate the runtime that you'll have for your own systems based on the power load that you plan to put on your UPS. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Happy installing, and I will see you in the next one.